In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Yahoo emails into Gmail, allowing you to manage everything seamlessly in one place. This process will help you consolidate your email communications and make it simpler to access your messages through Gmail's intuitive platform. By the end of this video, you'll be able to check and send Yahoo emails from your Gmail account, streamlining your workflow and staying organized. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account on your browser. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select See All Settings. This opens up a more detailed menu where we can begin configuring your email accounts. In the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs at the top. The one you're looking for is labeled Accounts and Import. Click on that tab, as this is where you'll find all the options related to connecting different email accounts. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for a section titled Check Mail from Other Accounts. This is where you'll add your Yahoo account so that Gmail can start checking it for any new emails. Now, you'll want to click on the Add a Mail Account link. A new window or pop-up will appear, ready to collect the information needed to link your Yahoo account with Gmail. Enter your Yahoo email address when prompted and hit Next to continue. You'll be presented with an option that asks whether you want to link the account via POP3. What this means is that Gmail will import the emails from your Yahoo account into its own interface. Go ahead and select Import Emails from my other account, POP3, and then click Next to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter details about Yahoo's POP server. Typically, this means inputting pop.mailyahoo.com for the server address and setting the port number to 985. Make sure the option to use SSL is selected. This ensures your email connection remains secure and encrypted during the transfer process. You'll also be asked for your Yahoo email password. Enter it carefully, as this is essential for granting Gmail access to your Yahoo emails. Once that's done, click on Add Account. If you'd like to also send emails from your Yahoo address through Gmail, there might be an additional step for setting up your Yahoo email as a sending address. This step saves you from having to switch back to Yahoo when you want to send emails from that address. Gmail will often provide prompts guiding you through this final maneuver. With everything set up, be sure to save your settings. Gmail will now begin syncing your Yahoo emails. This process might take a little time,